Readers of all ages fell in love with Akiko Miyakoshi's atmospheric picture book, The Tea Party in the Woods, and they are sure to be delighted by her latest offering, The Storm. The story opens with a little boy who is excited about a trip to the beach with his parents, planned for the following day. But a bad storm is brewing, and he starts to worry that they won't be able to go. All through dinner, the wind grows louder, and the rain beats hard against the shutters. As the boy gets ready for bed, he hears the wind howling outside and tries not to be scared. He drifts off to sleep, wishing he could drive the storm away. And in his dream world, we watch as he captains a ship through the storm to bright, clear skies. The spare text and charcoal illustrations throughout the storm echo the tension and uncertainty the boy feels, while the welcome splash of bright blue beyond the boy's window signals the start of a beautiful and beach-perfect new day.